I come from a land from a faraway place where the caravan camels roam, where they cut off your ear if they don't like your face. It's barbaric, but hey, it's home. Where the wind's from the east and the sun's from the west and the sand in the glass is right. Come on down, stop on by, hop a carpet and fly to another Arabian night. Arabian night, like Arabian days. More often than not, hotter than hot in a lot of good ways. Arabian night is Arabian night. A fool off his guard could fall and fall hard out there on the dunes. Salam and good evening to you, worthy friend. Please, please, come closer. Too close, a little too close. There. Welcome to Agrabah, city of mystery, of enchantment, and of the finest merchandise on this side of the River Jordan until today. Come on down. Look at this. Yes, combination hookah and coffee maker. Also makes Julian fries. Will not break. It broke. Oh, look at this. I have never seen one of these intact before. It's the famous Dead Sea Tupperware. Listen. Still good. Wait, don't go. I can see you're only interested in the exceptionally rare. I think then you would be most rewarded to consider this. Don't be fooled by its commonplace appearance. Like so many things, it's not what is on the outside, but it's what on the inside that counts. This is no ordinary lamp. It once changed the course of a young man's life. A young man who liked this lamp was more than he seemed. A diamond in the rough. Perhaps you would like to hear the tale. It begins on a dark night. I hope you guys enjoyed that little skit. All I did was voice over the beginning of Aladdin, the Disney cartoon. We're going to be doing this with a bunch of different Disney movies. We're going to do more from Aladdin. We're going to do some from just random movies, action movies, comedies, horrors, all different types. I hope you liked it. I will see you next time.